Haven't done so. Do you have the black?
Wow, are you hearing holidays?
Answer your buckets. Can I ask, would anybody like some free tickets this evening to go and see the Mindbenders, Black Paddy, and Richie Remo at the Derry Rochester Boat Club? Who would like to go? Who would like some tickets? Anybody else? We'll get two. You would like some tickets as well. Okay. Who else would like some tickets? We need your hands up. Who would like to go see Black Paddy, Richie Remo, and the Mindbenders at the Derry Rocks Boat Club? You guys here at the front. Right, so you gotta earn it, okay? Would you like to take as well? You have to come and earn it. Who's that gentleman? Come on and get to. That's another conversation. That's a very well said. Right, lads, let's see Johnson. Let's see Johnson if you want to take it. Come on, you gotta shake it out. You want the ticket. Johnson for the ticket. Roll Johnson, look at this boy go here. Oh my God, look at this boy. You ready to take? Come and dance, friend. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Have you got no Venga boys? We like to party. Venga boys, we like.